A robbery targeting an online motorcycle driver occurred in Parongpong, West Bandung on Thursday afternoon. The victim suffered stab wounds from a sharp weapon during attack. Meanwhile, the suspect who fled into nearby plantation was captured by residents and subjected to mock justice.
The incident unfolded when the perpetrator attempted to rob the victim by stealing his motorcycle. According to eyewitnesses, the suspect used the sharp weapon to stop the driver. However, the combination alerted local residents who pursued the suspect into the plantation area. The chase ended when the perpetrator fell into a drainage ditch where he was apprehended and beaten by the crowd. One resident Cordia stated that he saw the suspect stabbing the victim before trying to escape with the motorcycle. It was chaotic. We saw him hurt the driver, so we chased him down, he explained.
Keluar dari kerjaan, saya ngelihat motor ngegeletak di tengah jalan. Kirain saya mah kecelakaan atau gimana. Pas saya samperin ke TKP, ternyata si korban lagi ditusukin sama pisau sama tersangka. Pas waktu datang saya dia panik, dia langsung mau lari pakai motor sama saya dihadang. Nah, dia kewalahan, dia langsung lari ke kebun, masuk ke kubangan. Di situ saya tangkap.
The injured victim was immediately taken to the nearest hospital for medical treatment. Meanwhile, after being restrained by residents, was handed over to Cisarua police for further investigation. Police are continuing to investigate the incident, gathering statements from witnesses and the victim to determine the exact sequence of events. Authorities have also urged the public not to resort to vigilant actions and to prioritize reporting crimes to law enforcement. This incident highlights the risks faced by online motorcycle drivers and the importance of maintaining safety and vigilance while on duty.